During your next vacation, we invite you to join us in protecting and restoring Roatan's coral reefs. Mayan Divers and Subway Watersports are proud sponsors of the Bay Islands Reef Restoration project. In this video, we will learn about coral restoration and how you can be part of this process. Bay Islands Reef Restoration is working on growing corals in our coral nursery to help protect the genetic diversity of this threatened species. We seek to boost their resilience and help preserve and restore coral reef structure and function. At the same time, we provide an opportunity for our guests to participate in and learn about coral restoration.
We have 24 trees near Turquoise Bay and 10 trees at West Bay near Mayan Princess Resort. We have planted over 1,100 corals at the Labyrinth dive site with dive masters and guests from Subway Watersports, expanding our reach to the nearby Emily Escape dive site as well as in the West Bay area with the help of Mayan Divers.
We offer a PADI Bay Island Reef Restoration distinctive specialty course to all of our guests. During the course, you will learn about coral ecology, coral stressors, and the processes we employ in coral restoration. Participants will also help maintain coral trees and outplant nursery-raised corals. We also offer a more informal coral adventure dive every week.
Our goal is to plant tens of thousands of endangered corals back onto Roatan's reefs. We also seek to educate divers from Subway Watersports and Mayan Divers about coral conservation.